Hello guys, my name is E Raja. I am ECE department. Today we are discuss about the topic is oral presentation in chess game. Chess is a two-player strategy board game played on chessboard. A checkered game board is with 64 squares arranged in 8 by 8 grid. A chessboard, a game, played by two people. Each player controls an army of 16 pieces. One army is a black, the other white. Each pieces move in unique manner. A game of strategy and concentration. A chessboard is played by millions of people worldwide, the both amateur and professional. Next, the basics of chess game. The chess game pieces: king, queen, bishop, knight, rook, and rook and pawn. King. We are discuss the king. The king is as one king. The king moves on one square in any direction. Next, queen. Queen. Each army has one king. A queen moves any number of squares in straight line and any directions. This is a queen is moved to the directions. Bishop. The bishop. Each army has two bishops. A bishop move squares diagonally and remains on squares of one color. Next, knight. Each army has a two knight moves in L shape, moving two squares vertically or horizontally, that making a turn left or right and moving in one square. Knight is the each army has two knights. Okay. Next, rook. Rook can each army has two rooks. The rook moves any number of squares in straight line, horizontally or vertically. The rook can move any number of squares along any rank or file, but may not leap over the pieces along with the king. The rook, which is involved during the king's castling move. Pawn. Pawn. Each army has 8 pawns. Pawn only move one direction forward one square at a time. If it is pawn first move, it can move two squares. Pawn can only capture a piece by moving one square diagonally. Next, pawn is a move forward to the unoccupied squares immediately in front of it in same file, or in its first move it may advance to squares along the same file provide both the squares are unoccupied. Black in this the diagram. Pawn may capture an opponent pieces a square diagonally in front of it in the adjacent file by moving to the square. The pawn has two special moves: the presence and capture and the promotions. Special moves: castling. Castling is can be one be done if it the following conditions are all present. Neither the king nor the rook being user have been moved yet during the game. If either the pieces has been moved, then castling is not allowed. Even if the pieces is moved back to its original square, all of the squares between the king and the rook must be empty. Once in every game, each king is allowed to make a special move known as castling. Castling is a consist of moving the king two squares along the first rank toward the rook, and then the placing that the rook on the last square that the king has just crossed. Castling is irreversible under the following conditions: neither the king nor the rook are previously moved during the game. These there cannot be any pieces between the king and the rook. The king cannot be check or knock. Can king passes through the squares terror and attack the enemy pieces. Board setup. Rooks go into the corner two squares in the army, and knights go next to the rook of the same color. Bishop are placed next to the knights. The queen placed on the center square of its color. King is placed next to the queen of the same. Pawn goes in the row in the front of army. Game ending. Checkmate. A checkmate is a situation in which player king is being attacked and there is no means for the king to avoid being captured on the next round. Stalemate. Stalemate occurs when one player has one no legal moves and it check it not check. This in the game as a draw. Other draw included the threefold repetition, exact position occurring 3 times with a player, or the 50 move rule, no piece captured after 50 consecutive moves by each player. Thank you.